Make your decision now. You have to understand, your life is a result of the decisions you make. If you want to be successful, you've got to decide right here, right now, that you will take control of your destiny. Don't wait for the right moment. Create it. You can't sit around and hope for success to come knocking. You have to get up, go out, and make it happen. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. You've got to make a decision. You're going to live life on your terms. Don't let fear paralyze you. Decide that you're going to push forward no matter what. Make the decision to bet on yourself, to believe in yourself, and to never give up. Your decisions shape your destiny. It's in your moments of decision that your future is formed. The quality of your life is the quality of your decisions. Decide what you want. Make it clear and commit to it. Decide that you're going to succeed, no matter what it takes. Decide that you won't settle for anything less than your best. Life is about making hard decisions. It's about choosing the path less traveled, facing challenges head on, and not backing down. When you make the decision to push yourself, to take the harder road, that's when you grow. That's when you win. But it all starts with a decision. A decision to be better, to be stronger, to be unstoppable. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is the decisions they make. Decide today to discipline yourself. Decide to take control of your mind, your emotions, and your actions. The decisions you make today will determine your tomorrow. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Make the decision to begin your journey today. Decide that you will not let anything stand in your way. And remember, every decision you make, no matter how small, is a step toward the life you've always wanted. So decide now. Don't wait. Listen to me. You will never be successful until I don't have to give you a dime to do what you do. Discipline is what pushes you to get up and grind when nobody is watching. You've got to want it as bad as you want to breathe. Discipline is what keeps you hungry, keeps you focused, keeps you grinding.